Can I have your attention, please? Open the gate! Hey, open up the gates, he's coming. Move up, he's coming. Yo, General coming through, buddy. Nah, not you open the gate. Stop coming! He's the original dad. Yo, don't rock yourself. Attention, everyone, attention, move up! General coming! The man is the boss. That is the king of kings. You didn't know?
Open up the gates and let the king come in. Open up the gates and let his majesty come in. Purify one that we admire. Lamb of light to free us from our sins. Hey, open up the gates and let the king come in. Open up the gates and let his majesty come in. He holds the scepter, the kingdom is forever. I can feel worshipers gathering. I can say, open up the gates and let the king come in. Open up the gates and let his majesty come in. Nations tremble, enemies surrender to the one who births the kingdom from within. Tell me who you know is greater than the Father and the Son and the Spirit, showing mercy without reason. Who you know is able to turn decades into days, who lives outside of time and changes seasons. Who else you know can grip the hearts of kings and make them bow down? Let my people go, you filthy heathen. Who else you know can tell a man to look into the valley, speak to dry bones and watch them get up breathing? So we cry, Yahweh, Prince of Peace, you give me rest. Yahweh, you the standard of holiness. Yahweh, you are worthy to be blessed, and your children cry, right on, right on. Yahweh, Prince of Peace, give me rest. Yahweh, you're the standard of holiness. Yahweh, forever worthy to be blessed, and your children cry, right on. Open up the gates and let the king come in. Open up the gates and let his majesty come in. Oh, refiner, cleanse us with your fire, so that we can boldly enter in. Hey, open up the gates and let the king come in. Open up the gates and let his majesty come in. Great defender, yes Lord, we surrender to the one that works the kingdom from within. Tell me who else you know is Lord of an angel army? Who else you know is daily fighting for me? Who else you know turn bastards into family? He takes his love and make it a banner flying over me. Tell me who else you know can prophesy the end from the beginning? Oh, who else you know can receive stripes and make the healing flow? Who else you know can declare yes when all the man say no? All these reasons make me love you so, so we cry, Yahweh, Prince of Peace, give me rest. Yahweh, you the standard of righteousness. Yahweh, forever worthy to be blessed, and your children cry, right on, right on. Yahweh, Prince of Peace, you give me rest. Yahweh, you are the standard of holiness. Yahweh, forever worthy to be blessed. Oh, open up the gates and let the king come in. Open up the gates and let his majesty come in. Purify one that we admire. Oh, 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 open up the gates. Open up the gates. Open up the gates. Oh, you are welcome here. You are welcome here. Lord of the angel army. 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 Turn them from heaven. Oh, you love your name. Power in your name. You are welcome here.